Today, I'm going to share with you the single greatest method for landing your first high ticket office cleaning contract. And just to get it out of the way, it's not ads, it's not cold calling. You won't be wasting time out of your day knocking on people's doors and getting them slammed in your face. No, I want you to just use this one method and it will ROI like crazy. And I know this works because I have personally done it countless times to land some of the biggest accounts of my career. I've also watched hundreds and hundreds of people inside my program over the last few years use it to land their high ticket clients. And most of them were complete beginners. So in this video, I'm going to break down the whole thing, the whole shebang, what it is, why it works on the psychology of high ticket decision makers, and the specific ways that you can use it to land your first $5,000 per month office cleaning contract. And by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Mike Mack. I've personally been in this commercial cleaning industry for well over a decade plus. I built and sold multiple companies, and I've coached hundreds of people. I helped them start their own and scale their own high ticket cleaning business. So this stuff is on my mind literally every day. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. First, what is this method and why does it even work? Well, I call it the high ticket method. And here is the core idea behind it. Every other way of going after clients is all about you. Here I am. Here's what I do. Here's my price. Hire me. Cold calls, door to door, social media, ads, all of it is about putting you in front of strangers and saying, hey, you should care what I'm saying. High ticket method flips that completely. It becomes about their building, their staff, their reputation, the problems that they didn't even know they had. High ticket decision makers are not shopping for the cheapest price. They're not shopping for the cheap company. They are shopping for someone that they can trust, someone who actually understands their world, someone who makes them feel like, finally, a company who actually understands what we're dealing with here. But when you approach them, like everyone else, with a sales pitch, here's my company, here's what I offer, they're gonna evaluate you like every other Joe Blow cleaning company out there. One of 20 bids, and you're gonna be super easy to ignore. But when you lead with education, here is a problem in your building you probably didn't know about, and here's what it's costing you. Something completely different happens. They stop, they read, they think, and by time they actually finish, they're not evaluating you like you're any other company out there. No, they are starting to treat you like you're an expert that they want access to, which should be welcoming news to you, especially if you're brand new and you've never done this before. This simple shift gets them to see you as being more valuable than everyone else before you even hand in your proposal to them. This is what makes this method so powerful. Now, let me show you how exactly this works in the real world. See, in a world full of AI bots, cold email, complicated funnels, expensive campaigns. See, with the high ticket method, we do the complete opposite of all of that, and we send direct mail, which if you do it right, you will never get a better ROI on any other marketing methods you use. And that's because you're gonna send a real piece of mail that goes directly to the decision maker. It targets a business with a $5,000 per month cleaning budget. And that letter does one thing before it does anything else. It shows them the problem they didn't know they had. Think about what that does to someone sitting behind the desk who has not thought about the cleaning company in the last 6 months because it aggravates them to do so. See, for them, cleaning is just another line item on their budget. They don't think about it at all, really, because, like I said, it's annoying when they do. Until someone like you shows up and says, here's what inconsistent cleaners do to your office. Then from there, you insert the problems, then transition to something like your staff notices, your clients notice, your reputation takes a hit every time someone walks into your bathrooms and they smell poorly. Now they're thinking about it, and they're thinking about it because of you before you ever ask them for anything. This is the high ticket method. And I want to show you 3 specific ways you can use it. Starting with the first way. I like to call it the cold intro. This is for someone brand new. I mean, no clients, no track record, nothing. Completely new. You identify the right businesses in your market, like medical centers, private schools, movie theaters, any business that, I mean, just looking at it likely has a nice size cleaning budget and they're already experiencing these problems, which rest assured most of them are. Well, you pick them and then you're going to send a letter that leads with education, not a sales pitch, not an introduction, a letter that opens up by speaking directly to the frustrations they're already feeling about their current cleaning situation. See, the goal here is to show them that you understand their world before you tell them who you are. See, they'll respond, not because your company was so impressive. They don't know much of anything about you yet. It's because you made them feel like you can almost read their mind. Now, that is just one of 3 ways we use this thing. The second way we use the high ticket method is what I like to call the warm conversion. Most people in this situation will send a generic message. Hey, started a cleaning business. Do you need cleaning? Sad to say, but that's the type of uninspiring messaging typically delivered by AI. Don't do it. Instead, you again want to lead with education first. You make them feel like you are bringing them insight once again. And then you let them know a little bit about how you can solve their problem. When you do that, it is a completely different story because, let's face it, you've already demonstrated that you think completely different than 98% of the other cleaning companies out there that they've dealt with. And that is the magic piece that gets them to trust you. Now, that's the second way we use the high ticket method. The third way that we use the high ticket method is what I like to call the follow-up frame. Now, this is for the person who you've already made contact with, but you didn't close them yet. Maybe they're like, oh, maybe try back later, not interested right now, or maybe the walkthrough went well, but they were kind of quiet after. It happens. See, most people follow up with another just checking in, wanted to see if you had a chance to think it over. That is weak, my friend, because it signals that you're waiting on them. The high ticket method follow-up leads with a piece of lumpy mail instead. I'm talking about like a funny keychain, a stress ball, some dice. We tie it together with a funny message that's like relevant to the situation. And now this is something that will not only land you contracts, but you're going to be surprised how often someone's like, I'll admit that was some good marketing, which to me, it always feels good to hear that. But that's the kind of follow-up that does not feel like a chase. It feels like value. And it almost always reopens conversations with people that have kind of been waiting around a little bit. Now, here's what all 3 of these approaches with high ticket method have in common. None of them lead with you. All of them are about your potential clients. That is the method. That's why it works. That's why clients who respond to it almost always are the right ones. The high ticket clients with real budgets who actually value over price. And you will get those clients when you use this method because that's the whole purpose of it. It filters out cheap clients who don't respond to education. They respond to you sending a cold email saying, I could beat the price of your current provider. Who wants those clients? Not this guy. And I'm sure deep down you don't want those clients either. High ticket clients respond to someone who makes them feel understood. And that is exactly why this method has personally changed my life, and I've watched it change so many other lives every single time. Go out there, put this in motion, and make a lot of money. If you'd like my help launching and building your own 6-figure cleaning business with fewer clients that pay a lot more, click the first link in the description. If you want to hang out on YouTube University, learn a little bit more, I put together something pretty special there. It's right over there. I'm waiting for you. Go check it out.